So after doing all that hard work, the battery's dead. Well, tomorrow's another day. See you then.
Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. Yeah.
Okay, what I got here, 7.3 IDI engine. My mission is to change the glow plugs because they're all short. Totally going through. The vehicle's been sitting for 6 years and I decided to go grab it because it was a good price. But I love a challenge. Don't we, YouTube?
I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop.
Mission today, change the glow plugs, throw in the batteries, brand new batteries, change the fuel filter and see if it starts.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No, 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 no.
What this guy is doing? He should be here. It's ringing. Yeah, hello. Yo, where you at, man? Still in bed. What? Dude, it's Saturday, man. The hell? Yeah, I know it's Saturday. You said you was gonna be here. Okay, I'll be there. Alright, catch you later. Dude, good help is hard to find. Anyway, on with the video. We're back again. Let's see if it starts. Battery fully charged. And we're gonna try. I didn't have any success with the starting of the engine after changing the glow plugs, but I did have an epic explosion come out the intake. Hi there, I gotta apologize to you. A couple months ago, I posted a video about an RV I paid $500 for, and I promised to do a restoration, complete rebuild. Since doing that, but I ended up purchasing this box truck with the sole purpose as storage, because I needed a place to put the garbage from taking apart the RV and store the new material when it came in. So I'm getting it all in one shot, so the time frame of building would be a little bit faster. At least that was the plan. I just love this area. As soon as I start talking to the camera, the birds just go chirp, 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 chirp. They're all over the place, you know. But anyway, let's not get sidetracked. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends. Your support means the world to me. Totally grateful for the opportunity to share part of my life with you.